In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Dell laptop screen is flickering continuously. So to fix this, first right click anywhere on the desktop and then select display settings. In the settings app, scroll down and then click on graphics. Here you will need to expand this advanced graphics settings and then make sure that the variable refresh rate option is turned off. Now go to the display settings tab. Now here scroll down and then click on advanced display. Here you can try changing to a different refresh rate. So if your Dell laptop supports multiple refresh rates, you can try switching between them and see if it works. However, if you still experience problems, the next thing you can do is reset the graphics driver. For that you need to press Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B together on your keyboard. This should reset the graphics driver and hopefully solve your problem. However, if you still experience the same flickering issue, simply right click on the start icon and this time select Device Manager from the list. In the Device Manager window, you will need to expand Display Adapters. Now right click on the graphics driver and then select Uninstall Device. Now tick this checkbox and then select Uninstall. Once you have done this, simply go ahead and restart your Dell laptop and your issue should be resolved.